Well, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be harvesting the very first tomato of 2019, you guys, as well as the very first cucumber of 2019. How exciting is that? So also at the end I am gonna be announcing details of the contest that I'm gonna be doing this summer, so stick around for that. And you guys say this stuff, and there's like a red tomato right over here. I'm gonna show you guys real close. So yeah, let's do this, baby. What do you guys say? Let's do this. So as you guys can see, all of these babies, yeah, baby. And then there's one on the right, one right here. All right, buddy. Really hard to tell which one. It was harder than I thought. So we just picked a tomato with my bare hands because it's kind of confusing. It's like confusing stuff in the back end. I couldn't figure out which little thingy to cut. So I think this is either Mariana's piece or Questrely variety. And yeah, let's go get the little cucumber as well. You guys, look at this little guy. My first cucumber. So this is a little leaf variety. It has these kind of leaves. So yeah, let's grab this guy. I'm gonna use my finger. Ooh. Is that good? Yeah, that was perfect. So this variety, actually you can harvest it like when it's like 4 inches or so long. And they're good pickling variety as well as for eating fresh. So yeah, baby, let's do this. All right, you guys, so I'm about to slice this guy up and I'm about to try it. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this juiciness. All right, I ain't gonna be eating this whole thing because I want some of my family to try this as well. So I'm gonna just do a few slices, you guys. And then a few slices of this wonderful cucumber. I'll take this little flower thingy off. How should I cut the cucumber? Let's just do it like this. It's pretty crunchy. So here is the tomato that I cut up, as well as the cucumber. So you guys, I already tried like a little slice of the cucumber, but let's try the tomato. Baby, look at this wonderful deliciousness. Tastes like summer, you guys. Can't wait to be making them salads and all kinds of stuff from these guys. And the cucumber, it's perfect. Contest details. So it's gonna be really, really, really easy. Probably the easiest contest ever, you guys. So you guys just gonna do 3 things. Number 1, Number one, numero uno. Tell me what your username, Instagram username is, because I'm gonna need that information to find you so I can give you the video call. If it is the same as your YouTube username, then you could tell me that. If you don't have Instagram, then tell me that as well. Number two, you guys, tell me 3 things you guys are thankful for. So much to be thankful for, you guys, and I'm sure you could think of 3 things you are thankful for. And then, yeah, number 3, last but not least, is write down 1 goal in life that you want to accomplish. And yeah, that is all. And whenever this video is posted, that's when the contest starts, and it's gonna be ending July 23rd. So at the end of July 23rd, I'm gonna be putting in all the names of everyone who entered correctly, and I'm gonna be choosing. I'm gonna mix them up, and I'm gonna choose a name, and then yeah, whoever the winner is, you guys are gonna get a video call from me. We can talk about when is the best time for me to video call you guys, and yeah, so, and maybe you will get a personal virtual tour of my mostly herb garden. I haven't really shown it, so that's a maybe, but for sure a video call from me. So yeah, guys, if you have not noticed, throughout this whole channel, I'm a pretty awkward person and not very social. So this is gonna be like out of my comfort zone, but I'm excited to do it. I'm excited to meet one of you guys and virtually and chat with you guys. So yeah, just those 3 things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been fun. I'm totally loving the produce that I'm already getting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.